Now I want to talk about the development of fire. Now fire spread can spread in 4 ways. You've got conduction, convection, radiation and direct burning. Now conduction is the transfer of thermal energy without any net movement of the material itself. When a metal poker is put in a hot fire, the exposed end of the poker soon becomes hot, and although it's not in direct contact, it's hot. So basically what's happening is, you heat at one end, the molecules, the kinetic energy of the molecules vibrate more, and that's got a lot of heat energy. Now good conductors will allow that kinetic energy of those molecules to transfer down them. And what happens is you will see the hot poker getting hotter and hotter, and it will transfer until it equalises. And that is conduction. It's vibration energy, kinetic energy of the molecule. As you can see in this picture here, if that molecule there is heated up, good conductors will allow, good conductors such as copper, silver, aluminium and gold, these will allow that energy to vibrate, that kinetic energy of the molecules to transfer down it. Whereas if it was a piece of wood and you heated it up, this molecules here would still be vibrating, but that energy was not allowed to transfer down. It's the structure of the molecules that allow the kinetic energy of the energy molecules to travel down it. Good conductors, that's why for conduction, if you're going to test a fire door, you check with the back of your hand, don't you, for conduction. If it's going to travel down, you check the wood first because it's a poor conductor, and then you check the handle. If it's a metal handle, you check the handle, because that is a good conductor. That's a good conductor, so the handle, if there's a fire in there, would like it to be hot and it transfer the heat down, conduction. So that is conduction. So how do you stop fire spreading due to conduction? Well, steel girders across the compartment floor, you must fire stop it. If you've got a metal girder going through a building, through a compartment wall, if there's a fire in one side of the compartment wall, the heat will travel across the girder and travel across to the next one. Or above it, it could travel above it, things could ignite above it. So what you've got to do is, if it goes through a compartment wall, you've got a fire stop. So you've got to put a brake in. So there's a girder, there's a fire stop material, which is a poor conductor, and then you've got the girder. You can't have a steel girder going all the way through a lot of compartment walls, because the heat will just travel through due to conduction and travel across and basically spread the fire. What else can you do? You can insulate structural steelwork with fire resistant materials.